Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome all in today's EVS 2 class. Today we will continue with part 8 of our community life. Today also we will revise new words. Certain. Certain means specific or sure about something. Certain means specific or sure about something. That means you need to follow certain restrictions, certain rules in your day-to-day life. Repeat after me. CERTAIN. 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 Restriction means a law or rule that limits or controls something. Restriction means a law or rule that limits or controls something. Repeat after me. RESTRICTION. 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 In the school, you have certain restrictions. You need to follow certain restrictions. Okay? To carry out any task successfully. Yes? Discipline. Discipline means the practice of training people to obey rules. Discipline means the practice of training people to obey rules. Yes, your teacher always teaches you discipline. No, you need to be disciplined always. Now repeat. DISCIPLINE. 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 Participation means the action of taking part in something. Everyone knows participation because you people keep on participating in different kind of competitions, activities. Okay, so everybody has to participate in some of the other activities or competitions or in games also. Keep participating because you get to learn many things through participation. Now repeat. PARTICIPATION. 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 Determination. The ability to continue trying to do something, although it is very difficult. Even though the task is very difficult, you need to be continue trying. You need to continue trying to do something until you gain success. Okay, so that means try and try until you succeed. Practice makes the man perfect. Okay, so determination means the ability to continue trying to do something although it is very difficult. Repeat after me. DETERMINATION. 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 Passion means any powerful emotion or feeling. Passion means any powerful emotion or feeling. Repeat after me. PASSION. 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 Imbibe means to receive and absorb into the mind. Imbibe means to receive and absorb into the mind. IMBIBE, imbibe. IMBIBE, imbibe. We imbibe qualities like cooperation and unity through sports or through games. Unity means the quality of being united or togetherness. Unity means the quality of being united or togetherness. Repeat after me. UNITY, unity. UNITY, unity. Children, being united makes you strong. Yes? Being united makes you feel happy. Fine? Yes, so keep on learning hard words, learn spellings also, and learn meanings also. Yes? Now we'll discuss what if there were no schools. In the previous lesson, we have discussed what if there were no farmers. In today's class, we are going to discuss what if there were no schools. Children, can you imagine without schools? No. See, now in this corona crisis, you people are at home. No? Online classes are going on, but still you miss your school days. Yes or no? You're impatiently waiting to get the school open. Yes? Because you people means we all like our community life. No? People wants to live with others. People like to live with others. Yes? We like to live in groups with our relatives, with our friends, with our neighbors. Then we feel happy. This everything we have learned in the same lesson. Yes? So now we'll discuss this. School is important because it helps us to prepare for our life. Not only we learn the basic skills to read, write, but we can learn about people, places and nature. School is important because it helps us to prepare for our life. Not only we learn the basic skills like reading, writing, but we can learn about different remarkable people, different well-known places and about our nature, about our motherland. Yes, children, we have learned, do you remember? We have learned all these things in EVS only, lesson number 6. No, we have learnt about remarkable people, then well-known places, and in EVS subject, you learn about nature. Yes. School prepares us to be the future caretaker of this planet. School only prepares us to be the future caretaker of this planet. That means you learn good qualities like saving water, saving money, saving electricity, saving food. Okay, because these are very precious things. You need to be save those. Right? And by doing so, you are taking care of your planet. That means your Mother Earth. And it gives us the knowledge to pass on to our children and the future generation. School only prepares us to pass our knowledge to the future generation. For example, your parents teach you, your elder siblings means your elder sister, brothers, they teach you, they help you in your studies, yes, in completing your homework and so on. And when you will grow, you will also start teaching your younger siblings. Yes. So this is how we go on passing our knowledge to our children and the future generation. And this is possible because of the schools only. If there were no schools, we would miss learning music, languages, science, arts, maths, history, etc. Children, in the school, you people learn many subjects throughout a day. Yes, you learn different kind of subjects like music, languages, science, arts, maths, drawing, history, and so on. If we are not educated, then we will not have the skills needed to function in the society. Children, we need to deal with different kind of people throughout a day for some or the other reason. So if we are not educated, we won't be able to face them. Okay, we won't be able to solve our problem. Fine. So if we are not educated, then we will not have the skills needed to function in the society. So that is why each and everybody needs to be educated. That is why government has made compulsory, the education is compulsory to each and every child. That means taking education is the right of every child. Every child has to go to the school. School not only helps students to learn necessary concepts and skills, but it also allows students to interact with other students socially, academically, and emotionally. That means wherever we go, if we are educated, we can solve any problem. We can successfully interact with other people. Okay, we need to deal with them so we can handle any issue smartly if we are educated. There are many life lessons to be learned in the classroom that will benefit students as adults: time management, multitasking, and self-discipline. Children, for example, you have to go to the school at 1 o'clock, then you have to be ready by at least 12:30 so that you can reach on time. You need to be punctual to the school. Suppose you have to go for your tuition at 9 o'clock, then you have to be ready by 8:30. You should have, means you have to have your breakfast before that so that you can reach on time. So all these things you make you learn time management. Okay, you plan your schedule accordingly. So that means you learn time management. Then multitasking means throughout a day you learn many things in the school. You participate in different competitions, different games, different activities. Then you learn reading, writing, playing. Then go to the library, go to the computer. Okay, learning shlokas, music. So that means you become multitasking. And self-discipline, that means each and everybody needs to be disciplined in the school. Yes, and if you people are disciplined, self-disciplined in your life, then you will be successful in your life and you can lead a peaceful life forever. So that is why school makes us learn many things. School plays important role in our life, and that is why schools are very, very important for us to make a responsible citizen. Yes, children, I hope this is clear to everyone. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram. See you soon.